Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, and this is my gold analysis. If anybody hasn't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a quick look at my website to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So anyways, gold is making a little bit of a push down today. I personally have a really hard time recommending shorts for anybody unless you're just trying to scalp a few pips. And then even then, I think it's a little bit on the dangerous side because if you go to the monthly, we are in an uptrend on the monthly, wave three uptrend, wave three uptrend on the weekly, wave three uptrend on the daily. No signs of it being over yet. Wave three uptrend on the 4 hour. Now, the next area of resistance for me would be this 150% Fibonacci extension right around the 3,160 area. So 4 hour time frame, definitely still in an uptrend. This one candle down does not prove that we're not in an uptrend. 1 hour time frame, yeah, we are pushing down, but we don't have any break of structure and we don't have any lower highs. Definitely an uptrend on every time frame from the monthly down. That means that for me personally, anything I see to the downside, I need to look at as nothing more than possibly just another correction to the uptrend, just like every single one of these other pullbacks that I've been telling you for weeks to continue to look for longs. I would continue to tell you to look for longs. I think looking for shorts is a little bit on the dangerous side. So if you see any kind of a three-way pullback, any kind of a Elliott wave corrective pattern down to any one of these Fibonacci levels, and then you see it engulfing move back up, I would definitely still be recommending only longs in an uptrend and only looking to go long at the end of pullbacks and hopefully nice Fibonacci bounces. The trend is your friend on gold more than any of the Forex pairs because every single higher time frame is in a very strong wave three uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.